Hey guys, how are you? Now it's going to be a little noisy. So my husband is fixing one of our billboards. The stick broke, or the piece of wood that was holding it upright. So they're fixing it. So I am over here on the side of the road. I don't know if you guys can see them back there. And I got to work. I always got business on the brain. So I have sent out some emails. If you're on my email list, you should be checking it. So my Pumpkin Biz Challenge is coming up next week, and I don't want you to miss it, okay? So let me explain to you why you should take the Pumpkin Biz Challenge. Sorry, there's a little noise, like I said. He's fixing the billboard out there. So I want you to take this if you want massive amounts of new clients, like people who are paying you, okay? This is not for someone who doesn't want to make money, okay? I want you to take the Pumpkin Biz Challenge if you want to know the scripts, the proven words to reach out to people that you haven't chatted with in a long time, because maybe you're nervous, right? And you're not sure what to say. If you're afraid of ever reaching out to people, this is not for you, okay? The Pumpkin Biz Challenge is designed for you to make money in 5 days. Again, I'm so sorry. Like I said, we're pulled over because on the side of the road because my husband's fixing. We have a billboard for one of our Born to Shine events, and with the winds, it came down. So you're going to hear some noise. I just wanted to make the best use of my time. Oh, of course, now a car alarm's going off. There was no cars going by and no noise till I had to go live, right? Okay, so this is not for someone who doesn't want to make change in their business. If you want to have an amazing holiday selling season, this is for you, because I'm going to show you how to get way more leads, how to get people back into your space that you forgot about. Some of you are in direct sales companies that are making big changes. Some of your direct sales companies are now selling on Amazon. You need to get back in front of your clients. You need to give them that personal touch. I'm telling you, these are the keys to success. I'm going to teach you in 5 days how you're going to make money during the 5 days with different packaging, different ways to reach out, proven scripts, how you're going to get new leads and get back in touch with your old leads. 5 days. I will be by your side during the Pumpkin Biz Challenge. I hope you guys can hear me. Let me know if you can. I will be by your side. There's a private Facebook community, and I will be teaching live on Zoom. But don't worry, if you can't join me at 12 o'clock Eastern each day, guess what? You have access to all of the replays. There's going to be cash prizes, over $200 in cash. There's going to be all kinds of prizes every single day. So if you want to boost in your business, and I chose the pumpkin because the pumpkin can transform into pumpkin pie, pumpkin bread. Look what happened with Cinderella. You know what? If you want to make a change in 5 days, it's $79 right now. Oh my goodness. But the price is going up on Saturday. So if you want to lock in at $79, go to pumpkinbizchallenge.com. Let me know if you've already joined, all right? And there's also an option if you want to upgrade and get a 1-hour session with me for like $100 and something versus the $550 it normally is. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you to get your business to the level that it needs to be. So right now I'm in Jamaica, right? I'm living the life of my dreams on my terms because I put in the work with simple strategies that I'm going to teach you. So I hope to see you again. It's pumpkinbizchallenge.com. Pumpkinbizchallenge.com. $79. Change your business. All right, I'm Erica V. Elliott, and I can't wait to see you.